Hello, my friends. Today we're talking about unhiding hidden clutter. What does that mean? Well, as you know, or you might not know, maybe this is your first time here. If it is, welcome. If you need help with your home, please subscribe. This is the place to be. I'm Kat, FlyLady Kat, and we're doing this system together. Okay, so hidden clutter, what is that and how do we unhide it? Hidden clutter is the things are the things that are behind the doors, in the cabinets, under the bed, on the shelves. They're all in the bottom of the closet, in the corner. It's all the clutter that you've shoved away in the drawers in the kitchen, in the drawers in the bedroom, in the drawers in the bathroom, under the kitchen sink, under the bathroom sink, in the closet in the hall, in the linen closet, in the closet in the bathroom, in your bedroom closets, in the closet in the entryway, in the closet in the office or the craft room, in the cabinets and cupboards in your kitchen, in the cabinets in your living room and bedrooms, in the dresser drawers. That's hidden clutter. So what do we want to do? We don't want to unearth all of it at once. It would be overwhelming. We are going to work 15 minutes at a time. I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but it's probably more than you're actually doing presently, or you wouldn't have the big mess that you have, or you might be going about it the wrong way. But kudos to you for trying. But we're going to start with a hidden clutter when we declutter. So we always start in a zone. The current zone, while I'm recording this, is our master bedroom. So today I'm going to give the examples with the master bedroom. So first of all, let's look and see what we've got when we walk in the room. Depending on your level of clutter, you may be borderline hoarder. You're not a hoarder. Hoarding is a mental disease and needs a professional's help. This is not going to help a hoarder. If you're an over collector and people have said, oh, you're such a hoarder, and you say, oh, I'm such a hoarder, stop saying that and stop letting people say that to you. You're not a hoarder. Maybe you're an over collector. Maybe you've saved everything just in case I lose weight, just in case I gain weight, just in case this wears out. We're in the bedroom, so that's the kind of things we're talking about. Okay. All right. So let's look at the surfaces first. Look at do you have a dresser? Look at the top of your dresser or your chest of drawers if you have one. Or maybe you've got, a lot of people are using the little box drawers that pull in and out. The top of that. What's on the top? Bottles of shampoo? Medicine? Clothes? Balled up clothes hanging off the edge? Games? Electronics? Look at all the stuff that's in this room. You know what? It's not unsurmountable. We can do this. So the first thing we want to do, though, is not even worry about what's on those surfaces, what's in the corners, what's everywhere. The only thing that should be clear, absolutely clear before you start working in your hidden clutter is your bed needs to be made, which means there's nothing on it but maybe the dog or the cat. It's made. So if you haven't gotten that done today, make your bed first. Now, don't stack things on this bed. You can temporarily place things on the bed while you're working in your hidden clutter, but it must be removed at the end. The bed must remain clear. All right, now we're going to start with the dresser or the bin or whatever you've got. So we're going to work in that area. So let's open the one that has most of your underwear. Maybe you've got underwear and lingerie and socks and bras in millions of places, but we have to determine where we want to keep things. So let's say that this drawer you've determined this is where you want to keep your underwear and your bras and maybe some socks. Okay, remember, we're not going to have backups. We're not going to have just in case. We're going to have just enough that will service us right now for our current body size. So open up this drawer and take out anything that doesn't belong in this drawer. Just put that on your bed. Now, I forgot to tell you, you need 3 things to declutter. You need a box, a bag, and a basket. The box is for giveaway, the bag is for trash, and the basket is for put away. So you can place those on your bed, not these actual things. So as you're taking things out, you have to determine, you're not going to handle them twice, so you're going to determine, these socks, I've got 12 pair just like it. How many pairs of socks do I wear every week? You determine what you need. And then maybe you want 1 extra, but you don't need 12 extra. Put the ones that are the very best on your bed. Put those on your bed, not in the basket. Anything that's good that can be given away, put in the giveaway box. Do that same thing with bras, with underpants, and whatever else you've chosen to put in this particular bin or drawer, okay? Now, if there's anything that has a hole in it, it goes in the garbage bag. If there's anything that's stained, it goes in the garbage bag. If it's ratty, it goes in the garbage bag. If it's faded, it goes in the garbage bag. If it's good enough, it goes in the giveaway. And if it doesn't belong in this drawer at all, you found a cord to your phone, it goes in the put away. Or you found a pair of shorts in this drawer, it goes in the put away basket. Okay? Now you fold these things nicely and put them back in your drawer. Don't ball them up. I know that you don't care. It's just underpants. It's just bras, but it makes a difference. When you go to a nice lingerie shop, or anywhere actually, except a underpants bin where, you know, like Victoria's Secrets has all the panties in bins. But most places, they pull a drawer out and the pants are all lined up, the underpants. And the socks are all pretty on the shelf, right? So you're going to mate your socks in some way or stack them or ball them, however you're doing your socks, and put them in your drawer. You're going to take your underpants and I like to fold mine in thirds and over. Then it's a nice little, I can make a nice little stack in thirds and over. My sister folds hers over and in thirds. We didn't know that we did that, but that's how I fold mine. You fold yours however, or lay them flat. I don't care, but don't ball them up in there. We don't want to have the mindset of balled up, okay? So make it pretty. It might take you 15 minutes on this drawer, and you still don't have everything that you know you have in your house in that drawer, but that's okay. The timer goes off, you stop, and you complete the process. You put away, throw away, give away, okay? And then you do the next drawer. If you still have 15 minutes left on your 15 minutes, start on the next drawer. When the timer goes off, stop, and then complete the process. The next day, you're going to do the same thing with another drawer and another drawer and another drawer. And then when you use these drawers and you put away your clean clothes, if you've decided you're going to stack your underpants, then you stack them and put them nicely in the drawer. Or I like to fold mine because I can put my light ones in one stack and my dark ones in another stack. Okay, or maybe you have different styles. Maybe you have bikini and you have briefs, and you know you fold them different ways. And that's fine. I mean, put them in different stacks. But make sure that it's all nice in there. As you go through your week, you're going to find stuff that belongs in that drawer, and you may have to reassess what you're going to keep. Well, I've already kept 10 pair of underpants. That seems like plenty to me because I wash my clothes at least once a week, and that will give me extras just in case during the week. Okay, so now I've found 12 more pair of underpants. So now you're going to go through those and pick out the ones that fit you the best, that feel the best, and the rest you're going to give away. Well, you have to throw away those. You can't give away underpants. Okay, throw them away. If they're absolutely beautiful and you've never worn them before and they're going to fit you, then I would say the ones that you've been wearing, get rid of. If those are comfortable, keep the absolutely beautiful ones. You're not too good for the best. Okay. All right. So that's an example, but this is how we continue. And once you've gone through every drawer in your room, then you're going to go through the closet, the floor, the shelves, under the bed, and then you can deal with all the clutter that's sitting out because now there's a place for it to go. And as you go and put it away, you're going to reassess whether or not you need it. So once this room is totally arranged and you've got it just the way you want, you know exactly where you want everything, then you're going to keep it that way by doing clutter stops, which never end, and by doing deep cleaning in that room. So you're really taking care of this room for you. You're taking care of it by deep cleaning it, by polishing the furniture. You couldn't even polish it before because you had things sitting on it. Okay, so now only the things you really love are there, only the pretty things. Maybe your perfume, maybe, but not your makeup. Your makeup needs to be put away. It doesn't need to be sitting out. It needs to be put away and maybe consolidated down. Maybe it goes in the bathroom or you have a little place to sit to put your makeup on, but not on the top. Okay, so make it look nice for yourself so that you can feel like you're worth it. When you walk into your room and you use your things, you feel like you're worthy. All right, and then what happens? Well, something's going to happen to some of your underwear, and you're eventually going to have to buy some more. It lasts an incredibly long period of time. If you buy good enough underwear, it lasts a long time. But every now and then you're going to need to refurbish your supply. So when you do that, what do? You take the old and you throw it away. Or if it's a bra and it's still fairly good, you just don't like the way it fits, but it's not stretched out too bad, you can give it away. You put it in the giveaway pile. But mostly throw away when you wear things out. And so you're going to continually declutter by doing that. Or you may find things that you don't even know why you kept that many pair of socks, and you're going to declutter some more. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a wonderful day. Remember that prayer changes things and that you are beautiful. So be beautiful.